In the last video, we learned that we could create more and better Irish language phrases by adjusting the verbal noun. We did this by dropping the egg. So, for example, eg dul is going, but bhí orm dul abhaile means I had to go home. So we're dropping the egg there to mean to go as opposed to going. In this video, we're going to do something similar, but this time we're going to add le before the verbal noun, and this is going to allow us to create and understand more Irish phrases. Adding the le generally means something is to be done or you have to do something. For example, if we take the verb dain, which means to make or to do, the verbal noun here is eg dainmh, eg dainmh. But if we swap the egg for le, it can mean to be done or to do. For example, tá obair le déanamh agam. I have work to do. Tá obair le déanamh agam. Let's look at some more phrases now using this rule. Bhí a lán le feiceáil. There was lots to see. Bhí a lán le feiceáil. Bhí airgid agus dúisina le buachan. There was money and prizes to be won. Bhí airgid agus dúisina le buachan. Bhí an ceol le clisteáil ón seomra. There was music to be heard from the room. Bhí an ceol le clisteáil ón seomra. Beg an bille le hiach. The bill will have to be paid. Beg an bille le hiach. We add a H there because the verbal noun there begins with I. So the verbal noun would be typically eg íoc, which means paying, eg íoc. So the le initiates a H there to be added before the I fada. Bhí sé ar bís le himmert. He was excited to play. Bhí sé ar bís le himmert. And like before, we add the H there before the I. Typically this would be eg immert, which is playing, eg immert. But then le himmert means to play, as you will have seen in the sample sentence. Now, since you've lasted this long, I want to give you two bonus words now, or bonus adjectives, let's say. So here they are. Ar siúl, which means taking place or going on, and ar fáil, which means available. So let's look at some sample sentences now. Cad atá ar siúl a nocht. What's going on tonight? Cad atá ar siúl a nocht. Tá sé ar fáil ar líne chomh. It's available online as well. Tá sé ar fáil ar líne chomh. So here's a list of everything we've learned in this video today, just as a summary for you. I'm going to go down through them now. Ar siúl, taking place or going on. Ar fáil, available. Le feiceáil, to be seen. Le buachan, to be won. Le clisteáil, to be heard. Le hiach, to be paid. Le déanamh, to be done. Le himmert, to be played. If you would like to learn more Irish language words, phrases and verbs, then don't forget to check out the wonderful Ling language learning app. The Irish version of this is excellent and I would highly recommend it. Links will be in the description and in the first pinned comment if you would like to check out this really great app. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll be back very soon. Thank you for watching. Slán go fóill.